Zambia, located in central southern Africa, is rich in natural resources and has a long history. Today, we have arrived here at the embassy of Zambia in China to talk with the Zambian ambassador. What is his story with China? What are his thoughts and understanding about Belt and Road Initiative? Let's go and find out. Your Excellency, as the newly assumed Zambia ambassador to China, how does it feel coming to China? And what are your expectations for your 10-year here in China?
Let me just begin by saying I'm deeply humbled to be appointed ambassador of Zambia to the People's Republic of China. As you know, China is full of vibrancy, dynamism, not only on the local, regional, but also the global scale. It's really, really inspiring. In terms of my expectations, of course, I expect that I'll play a part in enhancing the already long-standing, very good relationship between Zambia and China.
This year marks the 10th anniversary of the Belt and Road Initiative. What role does BRI play from the global perspective? And what is the significance of promoting of Belt and Road cooperation?
From a global perspective, I think the BRI serves as a significant platform for international cooperation, particularly between China and other countries, especially developing countries like Zambia. And in the process, fostering economic growth and building stronger ties among nations, which is very critical. BRI is so important in a multipolar world we're living in today, and therefore allows more equitable distribution of resources and opportunities that exist in the world. And by creating avenues for trade and cultural exchange, the BRI can contribute to global stability and encourage more interconnectedness and more interdependence between countries and between peoples, and generally improve the standards of living amongst people and encourage a shared future among nations. So certainly the BRI is a very critical initiative that all nations should support to facilitate improved standards of living.
Since Zambia joined the BRI in 2018, what achievements and breakthroughs have been made through the exchange and cooperation between China and Zambia?
I must say that there has been a substantial deepening of cooperation in various sectors between Zambia and China since we joined the BRI in 2018. But most notable is the development in infrastructure. We have seen improvement in road networks in various towns in our country, and we've also seen developments at airports. Those developments could not have happened without BRI. We have also seen further developments in terms of exchanges in education as well as cultural activities between the two countries.
From the perspective of promoting the integration of the BRI with Zambia's development plans, in your opinion, what should we focus on the future cooperation?
Certainly, the BRI has been very effective and good for infrastructure development and cooperation between countries in various areas. First of these is sustainable development. It should be inclusive development so that you remove many of people out of poverty as the country develops. Second is capacity building, because at the end of the day, even the infrastructure will require to be maintained by our workforce. Thirdly, in the area of agriculture and food security, for instance, Zambia has a lot of potential in that area. Then there's also the issue of technology transfer. There's also the area of tourism and cultural exchange.
In recent years, China has been attaching increasing importance to clean energy cooperation with Africa. In your opinion, in which sectors lies a potential of cooperation in terms of green economy?
There are a number of potential sectors where cooperation could be enhanced. One first of these is renewable energy. As you know, in Zambia we have a lot of sunshine. Then we also can talk about sustainable agriculture, eco-friendly agriculture, farming methods. There is also good waste management and recycling. There is also the issue of green transportation. The other area is water conservation. So if we are able to harness water and irrigate appropriately, then we'll be able to increase productivity as well as increase output. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your time. We appreciate it.